Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since the last time I do my home workout routine after I finish my 100 squats a day challenge. This time I will do another challenge, which is the 10 minutes abs workout with a combination of my other exercises. But before I start again with my workout today, please join me to open these two boxes here, what I got last 2 weeks ago. I didn't have time to open it because I was in the province. Here. I'm excited to open it. But before that, please do smash that like button again, subscribe with notification on, and if you like this video or my videos, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now let's open it. What's inside? I'm excited. It's in a bubble wrap. I don't use my finger like this at mine. Oh! Wow! It's... Oh my god! It's collagen! It's collagen from Japan because yeah. Yay! Wow! Thank you so much to Radu. Thank you for sending me this. I think it's the same. Let's see. Yes. Wow. Gaganda kaya ako dito. Babata kaya ako ng mga 10 years. Yes, it's the same. Another box. So yay! I have 2 boxes of collagen. Here. There you go. I have 2 boxes of collagen. Ang saya. So, I have to check how many bottles shall I drink every day. Because I think it's bottle. And let's see. There. Siya. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 bottles in a box. So if it's a bottle, 1 bottle a day, only for 20 days. Para dun sa mga magtatanong kung saan makakabili nito, hold on, I will check. Ayan. They have a FB page and they have contact number there. I will flash it here. Ayan. And also at the description box down, I will put the details where you can order this. So, yan. And I will also give some reviews. I have to Google what's the benefits of collagen and specific this collagen from Japan. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. That's it. Later on, I will do my exercise. So, see you again next time. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video.